Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in Fliki. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Fliki. Scroll down and click on the first link which appears on your screen or search for Fliki.ai. Click on it and it will lead you to this page. Now you can see on the right hand corner there is option of login and sign up. Go ahead and click sign up, which you see on the top right hand corner. It will lead you to this page where you can log in with your Google, your Facebook, LinkedIn or with email. So go ahead and click continue with Google and you can create an account for yourself quite easily. Click into your account. Press continue and then you will shortly be logged in or signed up to your account. Congratulations, you have just signed up for Fliki using your Google. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.